Look for 4 bits of brill the same size. Why?
It will be fair on other people.
Fair on other people. Okay, now. They cook evenly. Tom, get the 6 fish in the pan. Listen to me now. Otherwise, you're going to go down, yeah? And Harry, we're falling behind now, yeah? I've asked for a 5. There's not even a fucking pan on.
I know, I'm doing the potatoes and I'm cooking that fish.
Together!
OK, do the fish. You do the fish. You do the fish.
No, a pan for the fish!
Yeah.
Put it on!
All right. You put the shots in the wrong one.
Get them out then, quick. Yeah. Come on, guys. Yeah. Okay, now watch out. Harry. Stop.
I'm fucking doing everything.
Yeah, you're doing fuck all.
I don't know what I'm doing.
That is ridiculous.
I
thought you were one talented
doing
man.
fucking...
Out of the way. Same shit, different day.
Mate, I'm doing the potato.
What are you having cold water on the beans for, Tom?
Go.
Stop. No. Bang. McShit. Clear down, yeah? Fuck. How are we? Nice to see you. How's the brill?
We've never heard of it, but it was fantastic.
Oh, really?
It was the loveliest fish I've ever tasted, actually.
Nice.
Yeah.
And the idea of the tomato salsa was to sort of bake
Perfect.
a nice fresh tomato fondue over the grill, which acts as a bit of a sauce.
But you can still taste the fish, which was nice.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
You gonna pay?
Oh, without a doubt.
I really enjoyed the main course, actually. I mean, you wouldn't have thought that, like, fish and mint and shallots would all go together because they're quite different flavours. I actually thought they combined really well to make a really nice dish.
OK, Jose, let's go. How well do you think we did?
I'm praying for 25 to 30.
25 to 30. The results are... 35 out of 50. Not bad, yeah, but not very good. It's no longer McShit, it's mediocre, yes?
It was tough to concentrate, obviously, with Gordon shouting and stuff, but you kind of get used to it. Now I'm used to it and relaxed now in the kitchen atmosphere, which is good.
Well, one thing's cooking, you've got to be putting the other one on, and it's just nuts. But hopefully we'll get it done for the dessert.